Hey y'all, welcome to IMEX Vegas 2023. Swoogo's inside, we got a little surprise, come with me.
IMEX is so special because it is the one giant industry event every year, and events are human to our core. To watch what this room looks like during setup day, see all of the meetings taking place, knowing how many really special conversations are happening, listening to people talk about their events. They care so deeply about every tiny detail of hosting an event, from planning to participating at the event, to sharing the content and data and after the event and learning better ways to repurpose that. There's just so much knowledge and excitement and passion right on this floor right now. Gets me motivated every single day that I'm not at IMEX.
Introducing Swoogo and Zoom Events, the partnership and integration hybrid made easy.
We're very excited about the partnership. We think we're bringing together two best-of-breed companies to really solve the challenges of event professionals, event organizers. Think about the solution that we can provide pre-event, during the event, and post-event, so it's not just during the event. And I think that capabilities that we can bring to bear are going to be really impactful in this market. So we're really, really excited about the opportunity to partner with the Swoogo team and bring two companies together to really deliver for those event professionals and event organizers.
Swoogo is a robust event management platform built on optionality and flexibility. And how do you get those options? Well, let me introduce you to some of our partners here at IMEX.
I'm Megan Martin, Director of Partnership and Events for Sessionboard, and we are a full-service content management system helping planners work more efficiently, save time, save money, and build better relationships with their speakers by automating some of those workflows and ultimately getting you off of spreadsheets and into smart tech.
Xtag and Swoogo is an amazing match because we complement each other 100%. Swoogo does all the amazing work for the event management platform, basically, and Xtag comes to action on the day of the event to provide the badge printing, lead retrieval, and session scanning, and we do that very, very well.
Tell us a little about Global DMC.
We are a collection of destination management companies all around the world. So we basically connect our clients who are meeting planners with our partners, our DMC partners. We partner with Swoogo on all of our events. We have GDP University, which is our online educational platform, and we've built that all on Swoogo, so the attendee management, the registration, and then we also work with Swoogo on our annual Connection, which is our in-person big user conference where we bring our DMC partners and our clients together.
ATS is a full-service and a la carte registration provider, providing customized badge printing solutions and attendance tracking for conferences and events globally. ATS and Swoogo works wonderfully together. We have an integration built in place to where we're able to take the online experience to on-site for seamless on-site check-in.
That's a wrap on IMEX 2023, and what a show it was. We officially launched our partnership with Zoom Events. With our integration to come in 2024, we met with amazing people and we had a great time as a team. We'll see you next year.